In the world of personal finance, a common question arises: what is Ascent Financial? It's a simple question with a layered answer, primarily because there isn't just one entity by that name. Instead, Ascent Financial is a name used by several distinct companies that offer a variety of financial services. This can be confusing, especially for someone new to the world of financial planning and wealth management. This video aims to clear up that confusion by exploring the different types of Ascent Financial and, more importantly, by using them as a case study to help you understand the broader landscape of financial services. We'll break down what these companies do, what their core philosophies are, and what questions you should be asking yourself when you're considering a financial partner, any financial partner. The multiple faces of Ascent Financial. When you search for Ascent Financial, you might find a few different types of businesses. This is a crucial point to understand. They're not all the same, and they offer different services. Here are some of the most common forms you might encounter. Ascent Financial as an investment advisory firm. This type of Ascent Financial is focused on helping you manage your money to meet long-term goals. They often work with individuals and families, and their services can include everything from retirement planning to estate planning. Their approach is usually centered on creating a personalized roadmap for your finances. This means they'll sit down with you to understand your goals, your comfort level with risk, and your current financial situation before they recommend any specific investments. They often operate as fiduciary advisors, meaning they are legally obligated to act in your best interest. This is a very important distinction to look for. Ascent Financial as a lender. Another version of Ascent Financial is a lending company, most commonly known for offering private student loans. This type of business is not about long-term financial planning, but about providing the funds you need for a specific purpose, like education. They are a direct lender, and their services revolve around loan products, interest rates, and repayment plans. You might interact with them to get a loan, but they typically aren't the kind of company you would hire to manage your life savings. Ascent Financial as a technology or consulting firm. In a third form, Ascent Financial can be a company that provides services to other financial institutions. They might develop software for wealth management firms, help banks automate their loan processes, or offer other behind-the-scenes technological solutions. As an individual consumer, you likely wouldn't interact with this type of Ascent Financial directly, but their work is what helps other financial firms operate more efficiently. Why this matters. Choosing your financial partner. The existence of these different companies highlights a critical lesson for anyone looking to hire a financial advisor or use a financial service. You need to know exactly what kind of service you're looking for and what the company you're considering actually does. Before you even start searching, ask yourself a few simple questions. What is my goal? Am I looking for someone to help me save for retirement? Or do I need a loan for school? Am I just trying to learn how to budget better? Your answer will point you in the right direction. A student loan company can't help you with retirement planning, and an investment advisory firm probably won't be able to give you a personal loan. What is their primary service? When you find a potential company, look past the name and read their About Us page and service descriptions. Do they talk about investment management? Or do they focus on lending? A good financial partner is transparent about their services and what they specialize in. How are they paid? This is a huge factor. Some financial advisors are fee-only, meaning they are paid directly by you for their advice and don't earn commissions from selling specific products. This model generally aligns their interests with yours, as they have no incentive to push a product that might not be right for you. Other advisors are paid by commission, which can create a conflict of interest. The best financial partners are open and honest about how they make their money. The role of a financial advisor. More than just investments. Let's focus on the investment advisory version of Ascent Financial for a moment, as it's the one most closely tied to personal financial guidance. A good financial advisor isn't just a stock picker. They are a partner who helps you navigate the complexities of your financial life. Their philosophy is often rooted in a few core principles. Holistic planning. They look at your entire financial picture, your income, your expenses, your debts, your savings, and your goals. They help you build a plan that connects all the pieces. Risk tolerance. They help you understand how much risk you're comfortable with and build a portfolio that matches that comfort level. They know that a one-size-fits-all approach to investing doesn't work. Long-term perspective. They encourage discipline and patience. The financial markets can be an emotional roller coaster, but a good advisor helps you stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid making rash decisions based on short-term market swings. Education. A great financial advisor doesn't just manage your money. They educate you on the principles of finance. They explain why they're recommending certain strategies so that you understand the what and the why behind your financial plan. Ascent Financial is not a single, monolithic company. It's a name that represents a variety of services, from private lending to investment advisory and technology solutions. The real takeaway is not to focus on a single name, but to use this example as a framework for your own financial journey. By understanding the different roles these companies play, asking the right questions, and knowing what you need, you can confidently choose the financial partner that's right for you. The goal is to build a relationship based on trust, clarity, and a shared vision for your financial future.